DWTX stock analysis Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Dogwood Therapeutics stock is sitting at $3.15. 68% up is cool. In context, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. The only guy that's actually been doing this for 4 years every single day. I mean, there probably have like some other guys, but nobody else has done 35,000 videos exactly like this, you know? So with the WTX, I'm not a big fan of the previous data, because like we're definitely 30x the volume that we're supposedly like before getting. The only thing that I can say is I'm not talking about like anything long term, talking days like swing trading, not swing but more so the intraday trading is like in the same day, you know. It's only going to be something that I'll potentially get involved in as long as the price shows me a clean double break. Now this is a 5-minute chart and people think like 5 minutes so small. Yeah, if you want a day trade, you know, you're gonna have to look at the 5-minute, man. That is the game. But the only real buy for me is if it comes just a tad bit lower than there and then gives me the proper whack of accumulation. Other than that, if my rules are not met and the timing is not fine, there's just no way that I'll force it. So I'm just keeping an eye, although I'm not gonna randomly buy. So that rhymed as well. Cool. If you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description.